Still having percussion cap failures on my Uberti walker. I put a split ring washer, 1/4 inch, down the arbor hole. That worked somewhat. Then I replaced it with this. This is an 18 gauge wire that I wrapped around a 5/16 rod. I ended up with very little end shake and cylinder gap, but I still had failures to fire. So next I looked at the hammer to hammer channel fit. I placed whiteout on the leading edge of the hammer, pulled the trigger, and observed a high spot down in the hammer channel. Now this is not as much as it used to be, as it was. I removed material all along the hammer face, especially in the deepest part of the curve. Of course I marked it with a Sharpie, and I cleaned out most of it between the marks. I also marked the hammer channel, and I cleaned out, and as you can see, I cleaned out more and more, less and less as it went along. Took most of the material off the hammer face. I used a round file in the leading face of the hammer and a flat file in the channel. I ended up, I focused on the deepest part of the curve. Let's try it. It's been working well. Maybe end shake, and a short arbor is not the whole story when it comes to percussion caps failing to fire.